Going on, everybody? This is Ryan Halligan with Fat Slab Wood Creations out of St. Augustine, Florida. You're currently watching my first YouTube video. I bought this Ryobi hand planer recently. I wanted to test its durability, so I figured I would get the most fattest slab I could and test it out. Now keep in mind, this is just a test run to see how it performs and how well it does with using such thick and hardy wood. It does pretty well. However, it's definitely not meant to take off a lot of wood at once. So I would probably use this for any type of finishing jobs that I had in mind. Next project is something that I've had for a while, but it required a resurfacing. I decided to use my Woodpecker Flab flattening machine with my Triton router using a 1.5 inch bit. It's important to note that it does create a lot of particles, especially when you're going through epoxy. So keep that in mind if you're in an enclosed area. It could create quite a bit of a mess. So when you're done flattening that slab, you'll notice there'll be some lines or streak marks. You'll need to sand those down and make sure that they're no longer visible to the eye. Once you start epoxying, you could really start to see those lines. Keep in mind, when you're holding your sander at an angle, it could create dips, so just be careful of that. You're done flattening out that slab and sanding it down. It's time to start up the air compressor. When you're ready for the air compressor, make sure to clean up all the epoxy particles. You don't want your backyard looking like it just snowed in Florida. Can't get all those particles, but just be mindful and try to get as many particles as you can. And when you're done, you should be left with a completely flat slab. That's all for my tutorial today. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my video. And I'll see you next time.